Chasing the Green Life, harvesting some corn. Our second cantaloupe, which was a little bigger than that one, we got a little too late and it's splitting open, and so I don't want the same thing to happen with these corns. So I guess I'll just kind of snap it off like that. I can see the corn in there. So it's two. A few more. So that's exciting. The pinto beans are getting bushier. Got to get that pumpkin away from it. And the pumpkin, as you see, is getting orange. That orange pumpkin. Unlucky. So here are the results. Not sure if it was picked too early or if it was just poor corn plants, but it was fun to try it out. Live and learn. And as always, I'll take the husks or whatever they are and compost them.